let's get into why I just found this outfit in my closet. Girl, shop your closet is a real thing. I remember when I bought this outfit, I never wore it. I don't know why I didn't wear it. I bought this outfit probably 4 or 5 years ago. How did I forget about this outfit? Girl, you got a problem. You shop too much. This is cute. So let's add some accessories. I think silver goes well with this. And then I have these earrings. Oh, I don't know why I don't have a silver purse like at all in my collection. I have a gray one, but not silver. I have two different pair of sunglasses. I'm gonna try on these first. Blue with like orange on the bottom is like an ombre. I think I'm gonna like these best. Yeah. And this skirt, it has shorts under it, so that's a plus. I would definitely do some bangles and add a silver clutch. And this would be a look like this is definitely going out with the girls. We about to have a good time. I'm not against this because they're kind of like a gray. So it kind of goes with the silver, except it's like mirror tint frames. These is more of my style. Why has this been hiding?